Hi and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I'm just doing a short video. I wanted to do a little fairy garden for my back patio and I wanted to take you along with me as I created that. So that's what today's video is and we'll just get into it. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I hope that if you do one of these fairy gardens that you will tag me and show me what you guys came up with. I'd love to see your guys' ideas and see what you guys come up with. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you'll try a fairy garden, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! So I just wanted to add to this video and show you a cute little thing I set up over here. I felt like this part of the patio just was, you know, kind of dead and not had a lot of stuff over here. I do have some plans back behind here, so I'll probably do that soon in a video. But I just kind of set this little scene up. They got some hay racks. some florals, the vase I had, some florals I had, and I added some cute little people with some mums in there. I got that at Michael's. This at no, this was at the Target Dollar, and it's same. I got 2 more of those scarves. And that little girl is from Hobby Lobby. I've had this beautiful pumpkin topiary for, gosh, maybe 3 years. I got that from QVC. It also lights up. And then these flowers, I have an urn that I think I'm going to put these in. They light up as well, and so it sits up higher. But I need some help in getting that in there. And then I just changed out my florals over here in my chicken coop wall hanging here, and just brightened it up. So I just think it just gave so much more character for this area. And you can see where we are. We're walking up. There's the doors for the dining room, and then the entryways over there. But this just gives such a cute little scene here. So I'll back up so you can see. I just thought that turned out super, super cute. I wanted to share it with you. I'm kind of continuously changing things. And then up the walkway, I just added these cute little pumpkin stakes up the walkway. And here are those new urns, and I just finished planting these up. There's an asparagus fern, a coleus, a zinnia, and then these are super bells from Proven Winners. And I think the color is going to be perfect and take me all the way into spring. And here's the other one. So that's how they look at the front gate.